In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Assetto Corsa with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the game with a controller on PC. If you own the game through Steam or any other methods on your PC, all you have to do is to connect your controller to your PC. You can do this any way that you'd like. In this video, I'm just going to use a USB cable, but you can also connect your controller through Bluetooth or any other method that you prefer. As long as your controller is connected to your PC, as you can see, it's going to appear under the devices window. So as soon as your controller is connected to your PC, the next time you open up the game, you will be able to go into the settings and change the controls. So as soon as your controller pops up on your devices, as you can see, my Xbox 360 controller for Windows has popped up. All you have to do is open up the game, go into the settings, and change the control settings to a controller layout. You will be able to manage all of the controller settings inside of the game and play through the entirety of the game using any brand of controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Assetto Corsa with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.